This is Angela. She is a passionate content creator based in the Philippines.
Hi everyone! Again, I'm Angela, a passionate content creator based in the Philippines. I collaborated with brands that align with my values, sharing products that genuinely make a difference in people's lives. Through unique and creative content, I aim to build a brand awareness, a brand trust, because your message and beliefs deserve to be seen and remembered. I'm passionate about helping brands by creating content that speaks to the heart of your audience and be a way to reach their potential or goals.
How Angela plans and creates content.
Hey, it's me.
Let's work together to tell your brand story. Your brand matters, and I'm here to help in what to post and how to post it. Because content isn't just visual, it's a connection. Again, I'm Angela. Your content creator who creates with passion and purpose